The state says the results of cell phone analysis on the cell phones and numbers used by the accused prove that she used different aliases, including Siobhan and Wasima, and that it places her in the car in which the baby and his mother were transported to the Middestad Mall on the day the baby was snatched. A detective in the case says all three SIM cards, that of the accused as well as that of Siobhan and Wasima, were used in the same cell phone at varying times. Proof, he says, that the accused before court used those names as aliases. The accused now also faces imminent arrest in another matter. This relates to a pregnant teenager who reached out to the NGO which the accused claimed she was representing.
15-year-old pregnant mother, a pregnant young girl, who informed that a person by the name of Siobhan Klaasen approached her with regards to her having a baby and giving assistance under the name of the Zoe Project, Your Worship. The person who presented her as Siobhan used the 074 number, where in this case the person who presented her as Wasima used the very same number, Your Worship. The arrest of the accused in that matter is imminent. The other colleague of mine is just busy following up with regards to video footage at the hospital, where it might be that the applicant's vehicle might be captured on video footage.
Defence counsel, however, argued that this had no bearing on the current bail application. In an affidavit, the accused says she suffers from bipolar disorder, is not a flight risk, and can afford to pay bail of 2,000 rand if granted.
I have no previous convictions, I have no pending matters, I have no outstanding warrants for my arrest. There are no protection orders granted against me. I would like to bring the following facts under the court's attention: that my release on bail will not endanger the safety of the public or any particular person, and will not disturb public order or undermine public peace or security.
The court has impressed upon the state that in a Schedule 1 matter, it must prove why bail should be denied.
The IO just came and testified that she was on the 205 record, so that it's clear that it's the same. Siobhan is the same person as Shamima, according to her evidence, to his evidence, and therefore I thought maybe on these merits initially the trafficking could be extended. Could be extended. However, one can see that there was no transfer of the child from one person to another person, as from the evidence that I gathered today from the investigating officer. So now trafficking, it falls out. I was starting to consider that, but now from his evidence, she acted alone in this case. So there was no changing of hands, and then it amounts to kidnapping. For now, I don't know what evidence will emerge in future, but for now it's kidnapping. So now you have to, the state have to show to this court evidence that she should be not granted, she should not be, bail should be refused to her.
The matter has been postponed until next Monday for bail consideration. Vanessa Poonah, SABC News, Cape Town.